Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just another small announcement. I know I just put up a prayer request video for the victims in Florida, but for this one, today is your last day to vote on the community section post that I have posted about a possible new live stream. That poll will end tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you have not yet casted your votes for that, go to my community section and vote now. It's for the possible new live stream series. So definitely take a look into that if you have not yet voted. This will be the last day to vote. So the voting will end um, September 30th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So once that time is done, we will look at the votes and we'll go from there. I have yet to check the votes, but if you've not yet voted for that, please do so by 11:59 p.m. September 30th, which is tomorrow. So just want to get that announcement out there real quick. And as always, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next run. Peace.